we are going to go through a comment from River State Governor. What he said will interest you because I've told us, in the past that those people that say they are not Igbo, you understand, they always want to play politics on everything. So recently, we have been attacking Igbo people, not today, but we have to focus on the one that just happened, recently, which is him claiming that the governor of River State is in support of Igbo people, and he claimed that the Igbo people are not Igbo and all that. We know all those things. The same Wike attacked this Ohaneze, the new Ohaneze president. He kicked against him being a president of Ohaneze, and he plotted and gang up with some youth to protest against this. These are politics just for him to be accepted in the circle of Fulani government. Anyway, I'm not gonna waste much of your time. Let's go through a poll that this our brother D0WN TV made. He said that is a statement from the governor of River State, Tim Fabra. He said, because I identify with my brother Alex Otti to unite Igbos, we just want to bring me down. Because if you don't do that, the people that contract him will not be happy with him. The same Wike, because you know that Igbo people are almost all the houses in Abuja owned by Igbos. Yes, you may not like it, but it's true. You see a very big estate being owned by Igbo people in Abuja, in Lagos, and many other places. So Wike decided to start, there's all this demolition going on in Lagos, in Abuja. Is just to target on Igbo people. It's just to target Igbo people. And one thing that Fulani love to do, which we can agree to that, is using our brother to deal with us. Just like what Branko Juko have just done recently. Now, Wike is, of course, he has been there, not today. So, as an Obomo man, I speak Igbo, and it has always been my dream that the Igbos unite. After all, we have been divided by political boundaries for too long. I met with my brother Alex Otti to make this dream a reality in my first month in the office, to see how we can come up with the projects that will bring Abia and River State together. Are you getting the point? That move was like hell. Do you understand? It was like hell because we having served River State for 8 years, couldn't do anything at all like that. He said that move was like a hell, was let open, like hell was let open, as God has got a cell from him that I was going against the river. I got a call from him that I was going against River State's agenda of never letting Igbo gain a soft landing in River State. I tried to make him to see reasons that these people develop our state and are law-abiding. Moreover, I am Igbo, and I can never stay away from my people. From the moment the plot to bring me down started. Credit to the source of this write-up. So I have to let you know that I got this post from our brother D0WN TV. Credit to him. Of course, I got to him. Maybe he must have gotten this write-up, of course, from someone else. You can see the agenda. We get like this. What this governor said here, said that 1 month in office as a governor of River State, he started working to make sure they unify Igbo, because blood is thicker than water. Despite all the hatred, all the plan and plot to make sure that they confuse you, to make you believe that Igbos are your problem. This man said his name is Wike, and nobody in Benin, where he claimed his forefather came from, bears Wike. He speak Igbo, he dance like Igbo, everything. Not even like he's an Igbo man. Are we surprised? I'm not surprised. Even some people that live in the southeastern part, the so-called Igbo speaking, some people say they're very Igbos. I don't see anybody as a very Igbo, and some as not a very Igbo. I don't believe that. But let me use their terms. The main Igbo, which some people see as that's the five states. Okay, Abia, Imo, Anambra, Enugu, and Ebonyi. These 5 states, some people from our place also have the same thing. They work with people who actually hate Igbo. They love to deal with Igbo people. Now, yesterday I discussed about the owner of Arise TV, Arise News. The owner from Delta, but he refused to air the injustice method of Mazen Makano. Every Nigerian news platform, TV, in fact, bloggers carry the turnout of the event in the court of Mazen Makano, where he told his lawyers to wait, let him address the judge, and he did publicly. That video went viral. It was trending. In fact, everybody discussed about it. Arise TV refused to air it. Why? Because they want to prove to the Northerners and their boss, as they're, that they're doing the needful. They're not here to support anybody. They know how to deal with their own people. That's how they go against their own in the name of fighting or getting appointment which they deserve, which they want, not deserve. They don't deserve it, which they want. So I have to appreciate this River State governor. Very, very, very good man. You see, self-preservation is not cheap. Anybody can claim that, well, I love my people. But when the going get tough, what will you do? Are you going to succumb? Will you be able to understand that your people actually need your presence, that your utterance matters a lot? After all these political, activities of Wike, want to be president, want to be this and that, he will come back and tell you that the Igbos are one, Southeast are one, after using you to gain ground on Nigerian politics. PW tried to make some similar comments, because like I was telling you, some people that live in so-called Southeast, so-called Igbo-speaking tribe, the men called Igbos, have the same mentality with Wike. People who can sell themselves or their brother simply because they want to get something, they want to have something of their own. They want to make sure that the Northerners see them as the good people. In fact, they are more Nigerian than others. How many Northerners have you seen bashing on their tribe, refusing to be who they are because they want to be president? It's not as if some of them have tried this in the past, have actually got something reasonable from Nigerian politics. No. At most, they will give you maybe appointment, which, if you deserve to be maybe Senate president, they will relegate you to house, maybe local government chairman. They will give you something. Is that what you want when you have everything? But the Northerners don't go through this stress by insulting your culture, your people, to become what I don't know. I don't know this River State governor, this new governor that he's I don't know. To be honest with you, I don't see him as someone who will do this kind of thing. But now that I can see the news and everything, I feel so happy about him. And Wike should put himself in shame, because that's what he deserves. A man who don't have any honor, no integrity whatsoever. In Abuja, he keep on destroying people's building in the name of pleasing his own cabal. Anyway, to excel in Nigerian politics, you need to be, you need to advance your evil, your dark hearts, for you to become somebody actually in Nigerian circle, which is very, very bad. So I would like you to tell me your own opinion. What do you think about River State Governor Sim Fabra? I don't know if I pronounce his name well. Just tell me what you think about him. What is your take on that? You can see the comparison, like the difference between two of them, Wike and this and Sim, the current governor of River State. Wike dragging him to more, so his government is simply because, like he said here. But yet you see tomorrow, Nibo will go and start having handshake and greeting Wike to gain what? Somebody who is a beggar in the north. Anyway, but thank you so much for your time, and God bless you. Bye bye for now.